Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's over there. This is Poke. I'm sending him to spa today. He hasn't been taking shower or given shower since 15 days. And look at him, he's so dirty right now. Dirty right now. So we're gonna send him to spa today. So come with us. Okay, we are here in Woof World, Singapore. All right, let's go in. We're gonna give him a cut plus a bath. Look at that. That's a golden retriever. It's big. Look at this guy. He's sniffing a lot. Come on. Bugela. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. He doesn't wanna take shower. Look at him. He doesn't wanna take shower. Oh, poor little guy. We have to leave him for 2 hours. We're gonna leave. It's gonna be a full bath for 2 hours and a cut. Look at him, he wants to run away right now. He's scared, he's shaking. They're trying to trim the feet. They're trying to trim the feet. Okay, okay. Lemon. He's staying still. Good. He's a good guy. Good boy. He's staying very still, which is quite cool. Normally, dogs are really, hostile. Oh, look at him. He's cute. Alright, I'm sweating from heat. Cannot leave it, just for a while, okay, cannot leave it. Look at him. Woo. Right. Excuse my hair. My hair looks shit because it's the wind. This is rainy season. But look at him. He's such a cute boy. He's just a good boy. I think they're trying to cut and trim his feet and everything first before they put into the shower, as you can see over here. Trying to trim the back of the. It's fine. Okay. Now. He's barking now. I think he's being sensitive. Oh, okay. I'm literally sweating, chat, like literally. We've left him over there in the room. Look at him. Oh, he's over there. Thing is, he doesn't actually bite, so he just barks. He's such a good boy. So we'll have to leave him, and then we'll come back in 2 hours. We're here, so we're gonna go pick him up. Okay, let me show you guys a little bit. That's where they basically shower. I think they're gonna get poke. Oh, there's dogs over there. Look at them. Look at them. There are dogs over there. So cute. They have brought him back. Look at this. This little guy. He's here, he's here. Hello. Okay. Okay. Look at him. He's cute now. He's so white. He's clean. Hey, I think we should. Look at him. He's cute. He looks so clean and fluffy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. He's gonna take a photo shoot, so he's doing a photo shoot while we shop for the thing. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's so cute. He's fluffy. He's ready to rock and roll. Alright, I'm just gonna pay first. Alright guys, so we basically bought this liver steak. He's trying out. He's trying out. Look at him eat. Look at him eat. He's chowing down. He's chowing down. He's chowing down. He's so Oh, it's not actually a liver steak, it's more a beef steak. And look at him, he's asking for more. He's asking for more. Wait, get out of here. There you go. There you go. Em nhìn ấy đã sao, cô ấy là áo chào vào làm gì? Bỏ bên đấy. Yo. He's very clumsy. Well, his name is basically Poke, which means Po means, I don't know what Po means. It's like a cute pronoun. And Ge basically means like extra in a way that. Hey, wait. Ge basically means he wants to. He likes to enjoy. Oh shit. More fun stuff in an extra interactive way, but still clumsy. It's hard to explain. It's Burmese pronoun. So yeah, there you go. Look at him. He's asking for more. He's asking for more. What's up, guys? We basically picked up Poke. Here he is. I don't know what he's doing. Poke. I need to bring him back. Look at this. Look at this guy. Whoosh. But yeah. This is Poke. He's already been cleaned today. We went to the spa, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ah! I think he's super thirsty. Look at him. He's so white now. Very clean. He's drinking water from the puddle, which is sad.